Hey guys, so today I have reached 27,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for that. I'm so grateful to all of you. And on the occasion of that, I've decided to make my most requested video, which is a mini album tutorial. To make this mini album, you will be needing cardstock of various sizes as shown in the screen. Besides this, you will need cloth of defined size to make the spine. You will also need two chipboard pieces to make the cover and coordinating fabric to cover the chipboard piece. Don't forget regular white glue and pair of scissors. You may use ATG glue glider and scoreboard, but these two are optional. Please do leave your feedback and leave me a comment if you have any doubts. Let's get started. The first thing which you're going to do is make 5 C shapes out of this cardstock. For this, align your paper to the scoreboard and score at 3/4 inch and 1/4 inch. Fold at the score lines and make total of 5 like these. If you don't have any scoreboard, you can always use a scale on a soft surface, and with the edge of a plastic card you can score. Now to each C-pipe add your album leaf. Follow the video carefully to see how I am doing this. You can use regular glue instead of using an ATG glue glider if you don't have it. Keep on building your album using the C-shaped pipes until you are done with all the leaves. Now stick a cloth piece which is exactly the size of your spine so that your spine looks cleaner. After this, we will be adding another elements to make a flexible spine for your album. Now take your another cardstock which can approximately cover the entire spine and score at every 1/8 of an inch so that the cardstock can curve properly. Now cover the scored cardstock with some fabric as shown in the video. Look very carefully on how I'm attaching this coat covered cloth cardstock to my album. We are going to cut a fabric which is exactly of the size as the scored cardstock, and then we are going to leave some space on the length side so that we can attach that part exactly to our album. Now take the heavy chipboard and cover both the chipboards with some contrasting fabric. Once you're done covering the chipboards, add both the pieces to the front and back page of your album. This would make your album very sturdy and give it that professional look. Set the album to dry. After a while, you will have a beautiful album ready with you. In case you are interested in seeing how I am going to embellish this beautiful album, please do leave your comment below. I'll try to make a time-lapse video and post it here on my YouTube. For this video, if you have any questions, any doubts, feel free to leave me a comment or send me an email. I am really looking forward for your feedback, and I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video.